You have got to keep trying, and if it doesn't work, you always can revert back to what you were doing before. We are never in lack of money. We lack people with dreams, who can die for those dreams. It doesn't matter if I failed. At least I passed the concept on to others. Even if I don't succeed, someone will succeed. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. You never know how much you can do in your life. I don't want to be liked. I want to be respected. Life is so short, so beautiful. Don't be so serious about work. Enjoy life. I try to make myself happy because I know that if I am not happy, my colleagues are not happy and my shareholders are not happy and my customers are not happy. We appreciate yesterday, but we're looking for a better tomorrow. You should learn from your competitor but never copy. Copy and you die. Without the internet, there would have been no Jack Ma, and no Alibaba or Taobao. Never ever do business with the government. Be in love with them, never marry them. My job is to help more people have jobs. Today, making money is very simple. But making sustainable money while being responsible to society and improving the world is very difficult. If you've never tried, how will you ever know if there's any chance? If we want to change the world, we have to change ourselves. Jack Ma. Opportunity lies in the place where the complaints are. Once in your life, try something. Work hard at something. Try to change. Nothing bad can happen. If you are a wolf chasing rabbits, focus on one rabbit. Change yourself to catch the rabbit, but don't change rabbits. Customer first, employees second, and investor third. A leader should never compare his technical skills with his employees. If we are a good team and know what we want to do, one of us can defeat 10 of them. Before you're 30, work for a small company, learn passion, learn to dream. You've to make consumers smart. An e-commerce portal doesn't sell a product at cheaper rates, instead, an offline shop sells it at a costlier price. Never ever compete on prices, instead of competing on services and innovation. Success and profitability are outcomes of focusing on customers and employees, not objectives. Only fools use their mouth to speak. A smart man uses his brain, and a wise man uses his heart. Your attitude is more important than your capabilities. Similarly, your decision is more important than your capabilities. If you have a different mindset, you will have a different outcome. If the customer loves you, the government will have to love you. A peace talk is always difficult, always complicated.